How to open a GTBank account online in Nigeria. For that, first of all, you have to open up your browser and visit their official website. Select Open Your Account, and then GTBank provides an online account opening services where you can begin your application and choose the account you will want. Enter the requested personal information and then follow the on-screen instruction to provide your application. GTBank also provides USSD option. So you have to open a phone's application and simply dial *737# and then follow the screen prompt. GTBank says an account number can be generated and sent to you by SMS. Depending on the account type, additional information or verification may be required. To make sure you only provide your information through the official GTBank channel. That's it, guys. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.